Latin 2, the grammar for Chapter 6, Latin for the New Millennium, Level 2, Second Edition. Part 3, Formation of Comparative and Superlative Adverbs. Comparative and superlative adverbs in English are usually made with the words more and most, though some common ones add and est to their positive forms. Here are some examples. Quickly is the positive form of the adverb that is made from the adjective quick. Quickly is an adverb made from quick, and it's the positive form. The comparative form is more quickly, and the superlative form is most quickly. So here the comparative adverb is made with the word more, and here the superlative adverb is made with the word most. Sometimes another thing happens though. Sometimes instead we add and est. For instance, this is the positive degree of the adverb soon. Here's the comparative degree sooner, and here's the superlative degree soonest. So sometimes for adverbs we do use and est. However, usually in English when we make comparative and superlative adverbs, we use the words more and most. In Latin, comparative adverbs look just like the neuter form of the comparative adjective. You may remember that the comparative from the adjective fortis forte is fortior fortius. Fortior is the masculine and feminine. Fortius is the neuter. Fortius, the neuter form of the comparative adjective, doubles as the comparative adverb. So fortius here can be an adjective merely meaning braver in the neuter. However, it also can be the comparative adverb more bravely. To form a Latin superlative adverb, just turn the final us of the corresponding superlative adjective to a. So, the superlative form of the adjective fortis forte is fortissimus, fortissima, fortissimum. Change that us of fortissimus to a and you get fortissime, and fortissime is the superlative adverb. So, for the word fortis forte, the comparative adverb is fortius and the superlative is fortissime. Oddly, we have not yet learned how to form the positive degree of an adverb from an adjective. In this case, if fortis means brave and the adverb in English is bravely, then the Latin adverb would be fortiter, but we haven't yet learned that yet. We haven't yet learned how to make positive adverbs out of adjectives. Your book is teaching you how to form the comparative and superlative forms of adverbs from adjectives before you learn to form the positive degree of adverbs from adjectives, which is a little backwards, but it works. Here's an example. From vehemens vehementis, which means strong or vehement. It doesn't mean strong, by the way, in the sense of like having muscles and stuff. It means strong in the sense of forceful or powerful or intense, like a vehement speech or vehement anger. Right? But it means strong. And here we go. Vehementor means strongly. That's the adverb from vehemens vehementis. Again, we have not learned how to do this yet. I'm just telling you, but vehementor means strongly. Vehementius means more strongly. Remember, it is the neuter form, vehementius, of the comparative adjective, vehementior, vehementius. Vehementior is the masculine and feminine comparative adjective. Vehementius is the neuter. And vehementissime, most strongly, is the superlative form. You take the superlative form of the adjective and you merely turn that final us into an e, and you get vehementissime. Here's another example. From pulcher, pulchra, pulchrum, we get pulchre. That means prettily. Pulcher, pulchra, pulchrum means pretty. So pulchre means prettily. Again, we have not learned how to do that yet in Latin. It's actually fairly easy to do, but your book has not told you how to do that yet. The comparative adverb is pulchrius, which is just the neuter form of the comparative adjective. And it means more prettily. And pulcherrime is the superlative form of the adverb. It comes from the superlative adjective pulcherimus. Merely turn that final us into an a, and you get the superlative form, and that means most prettily. The end.